Good morning, good morning to you and you and you and you and you and you. How you guys doing today? We're here live from the workshop and on the spot in the workshop. True. What you got going on, Nigel?
Just getting some cans ready.
Mm-hmm.
And that's our labels. And we'll get ready for the next process. Step.
Yes. So these are all of our body butter cans and sugar scrub.
Yeah.
So we're just restocking those because you guys are loving it. We're excited. Yes. And if you don't know about our body butter, I just made some last night. It has, of course, Nigel's Jamaican almond oil in it, shea butter, coconut oil, all vegan preservatives, and it is just, it's divine. I'm actually obsessed with it myself. So, yeah, so we got a lot going on. We've been pretty busy. That's why you haven't really heard from us lately. We've been here in the workshop making stuff. These are new on our site. These are our mango glycerin discs. So they're soap discs. They're really nice. They smell like mango, and they have the Jamaican almond oil. Everything we have has Jamaican almond oil in it, right? So then these are our free soap samples. So with every order, you get a free soap sample. Yeah. Those are almost gone. So that's shea butter and Jamaican almond oil. That's a really nice soap. We're actually using that one personally right now. So then what else? Oh, we have lime. Yay! We have lime bath bombs now. There's a bunch of them right there. So we have the lime bath bombs, and then I'm making these new bath bombs. They're for the people with the big baths. So these are the big ones. Got a little red on there because I made red ones. So these are just my testers right here. And then I made these. These are on the site. These are amazing. I have them wrapped in plastic because I want to keep them fresh. But these have loofah in them. They're shea butter, Jamaican almond oil, and mango shea butter with the loofah in it. So I love this. I have this in my own shower. I made myself one. I love it. So then I tried to make soap on a rope, but it just didn't really come out right. So we're gonna discard these. Well, not discard them because we don't waste anything, but these will be used for personal use. But I made these two, these little loofahs. They need cleaned up. The little loofahs, but they didn't come out all that good, so I'll probably just send those out as samples. And then you guys know what these are, the bath bombs. So we just made these. These got sold out. So where's my mango? I have no mango. Boom, all the mangoes are gone. So I made a few mango. I think I might have to make more. We'll see. But we make small batches, because we're small. It's just the two of us, so we make little small batches. So then over here is more cans. So these need to be filled. Oh no, these are already full. So all of these are full. And then this right here, this is for our upcoming foot scrub. It's going to be fire. I can't wait to make it. I'm going to make it today. All my supplies are in. So the new foot scrub is going to be amazing. What else do we have over here? More of the large bombs. These are musk flavor. So I think I just might use these myself because they're not that pretty and they're okay. But I'm going to make some new fresh ones for you guys. Okay? So then what do we have over here? Oh, what is this doing over here? This is preservative. So this is natural preservative. So this is a plant-based preservative. And I use all good products, fine products, plant-based products, all from Essential Depot. So I don't use a whole bunch of stuff. You know already, I use Nigel's Jamaican almond oil and everything. So, yeah. Okay, so here we go. Over here. So the cans that Nigel's filling up, he's labeling. He cleaned them. Now he's labeling them. So now I'll fill them up, and hopefully he'll help me because there's a lot here. So I'll fill them up with all of this. So for some reason, I see people on here, but I don't see any comments. Maybe I don't know if I don't know what's going on, if my thing doesn't show that or what. But anyway, to check out our products, tell them where to go, Nigel.
It's Nigel's Jamaican Almond World at gmail.com.
No, babe, that's the...
That's the website.
What's the website, babe?
It's Nigel's Jamaican Almond World at gmail.com.
Oh, that's the email, babe. Nigel's Jamaican AlmondWorld.com.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Hey, Jean. Good morning. How are you? Yes, Jean. How you doing? Hey, Abiona. Good morning. How you doing? I was wondering if... Yes, man. I was wondering if... Yes. I was wondering if our comments were messed up, because I've been having a hard time with the business Facebook. So good to see that everyone's there. Yeah, we're just getting ready for an upcoming event. The event is going to be our event. Thank you, Jean. Thank you. So it's going to be an online event, and yeah, we're just getting everything ready. Oh, wait, I didn't even show this. What do we got over here? Bath bombs. Yes. So we're just pre-making some bath bomb boxes for this. And yeah, stay tuned on Friday, or maybe Thursday or Friday. We're gonna make a big announcement, and we got some really good things going on. So yeah, this is the coconut body butter. I realized I just ran out. I had just ran out. Yes, Vicky. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. It's been a work in progress. Abiona says she loves the setup. It's definitely come together. Nigel made us these tables. So he made these whenever we first got here. We had these before we had furniture inside. So we got a bed, and that was it, huh? We got a bed and some wood. And Nigel made these. No, we didn't make these. You made these. Yes. So he made these.
I think got some more stuff to do with, it's a work in progress.
Truly.
I'm putting some more shelves and some cupboards.
Yeah, we definitely need more shelves. He built this right here. So, what's the coconut body butter made of? Okay, you got shea butter, yeah. You got Nigel's Jamaican almond oil, yeah. You got a little bit of cocoa butter, yeah. Here it is right here. You got cold pressed Jamaican almond oil, organic coconut, and avocado oil. Wait, this is pure cane sugar. Wait a minute. Wrong one. Okay, here we go. So, Jamaican almond oil, organic, unrefined African shea butter. So, the shea butter I have is legit. Let me show you. This is my shea butter right here. So the shea butter is legit African shea, unrefined shea butter. I don't get it off of Amazon. I get it from a real company that sources it from Africa. Okay, back to this. Okay, and coconut oil, same thing. Coconut essential oil and vegan color. So, oh my gosh, I need to take that off of there because guess what? There is no vegan color. Oh, wow. Okay, I need to.
First one, but you don't put any of it.
Right. When the first ones that I made, I did put color in it, but then I decided not to put color in it. So yeah, I need to get that changed. I haven't really looked at those labels in a while. So sorry, you guys. I mean, we literally do everything ourselves. Oh wait, can't forget the star of the show, the oil. Yay! Yes, man. So we have plenty of Nigel Jamaican almond oil. Yes. We have the merengue oil. So all these bottles are empty though. This is like our display. So our show display. Yes, it is almost edible, Vicky. Nigel smelled it. He was sitting across the table. He's like, I smell it from here. It smells so good. Yes, Abiona, love and unity. Yes. No, we're not in Jamaica. We're in Florida. We're in our house in Florida. Yes, man. Give her thanks. Give her thanks for Florida. And then here's oil, the Jamaican almond oil. Yes. So we literally package, do everything ourselves. Yup. 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 And it's fun. And that's why we only make small batches. You know? So, all right. Well, if anyone has any questions for Nigel, shoot ahead. He's right here. If you have any question, thank you, Trisha. Thank you. Thank you. It's been a works in the making, you know. Step by step, inch by inch.
Yeah. It's like building a house. You lay one brick at a time, and then all of a sudden, there's a house.
Literally.
Step by step, bit by bit, you know.
That's right.
One day you get there.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. That's
Journey
right.
of 1,000 miles begins with one for the first step.
I get it. You said you loved the unity all the way from whenever we were in Jamaica. I got you now, sister. I got you now. I'm gonna take some of these.
Yeah.
Ah. Yeah, I'm not even gonna take these from the thing. I'm not even gonna take these from the I'm not even gonna put it in the jar. I'm just gonna put them in the cans. You see what I'm saying?
Oh, you're throwing straight for it.
Yeah, it's gonna go straight in the cans. So that we can fill the cans up and you guys get on our mailing list because we're about to make a big announcement. We're about to have something big going on. And you know, we've been really thinking about doing some things. Where's my spoon? So, yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right, we're going to go. And thank you. Blessings to you too. Yes, determination is the key. Determination, consistency, and faith. Persistency, yes. Faith in yourself. faith in your business, faith in your product. Abion, I've been seeing you tearing it up, girl. Yes, yes, yes. If anybody out there, if you want some beautiful, authentic, gorgeous copper earrings, Abiona, showing it right. McKnight, she's got it going on. And then also those new purses. Girl, those are fire. Those are just so beautiful. So give a thanks, you know. It's good to be able to see our friends prosper, people that we know.
Long time coming up here.
Yes. Yes. So it's good to see, good to know, you know? Yes. It's a blessing, that's for sure.
Absolutely.
In every single way.
Yeah, man. Everything happen, you know?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Alright, there you go.
You're finished? You're out of labels?
Yeah, I'm on the latest 24 hours.
Okay, so that's good. Because I need those cans, because those cans now will be for the foot scrub.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's good. So you finished all the other cans.
Everything that I see.
Okay, all right.
Except for these.
Okay, yeah, no, those are not gonna get filled. Okay, sounds good. I'm gonna fill them all up then, and you can help me fill them up because we have a lot. All right, you guys, we're gonna go. We're gonna head over to Instagram, see what's going on over there. And thank you for being with us. If you want to check out our products, visit our website, and we'll see you again soon. Bless and love.
One love, guys. Take care.